Hello YouTube, it's me again, chewing gum. One last video for tonight. I picked up this little, it's a Milwaukee light. It has a little strap here. Battery comes out. It's pretty bright. Oh, and it also has a if you like this, find something. See, if you're working on something, there's a magnet. The only thing I can figure out that I find bad about this is this cap comes off way too easy. See, it's just a little turn. You just pop it a little and oops, there it goes down the drain somewhere. And there's a magnet at the top too. So yeah. So yeah, it's got a magnet here. And if you turn, this turns sideways, which is pretty cool. Even covering the on-off button, just pretty stupid. Has like three settings, but has magnet here, magnet there, and I guess there's none over there. It's a good little light, except I don't like the way they should have made the battery cover screw on, because it's too, look, see, it's like a one of those. See, look, there's, you just got to quarter turn it and it pops right off. You bump that, you're gonna lose the cap. That's all there's to it. You're gonna lose it. But if you want a good little welding light and you don't want to bump the cap or whatever, you just want to, yeah, put it on there. Put it on there, or there we go. Works pretty good. Ta-da! Put it on here. It holds pretty darn good. See? Put it on there. Not bad. One flaw to cap, that's it. I just bought it so I can, if I'm working, I might actually, see, if you look here, it sticks to the metal plate in my head, see? No, I don't have a metal plate in my head. Got a lot of heavy metals in there, but anyway, I hope you like the little, where's the little, can't see where the damn timer is in this thing is. So yeah, that's my video and that's my light. Milwaukee light, see that? Sticks pretty good, won't even come off, see? It probably holds more than that shitty switch magnet I bought from Harbor Freight. 90 pounds my ass. Oh, and they replaced it. I bought a new one that was broken, switched it. It was under warranty, so thanks for watching, enjoy, and I don't know, have fun. Yeah.